Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the New Balance 2002 Rs. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the New Balance 2002 R. This time we've got the dark navy pair. And for those that haven't seen the Mirage Grey, I do suggest that you check that video out. We've done a review of the 2002 R in the Mirage Greys, and in that video I am desperately seeking these dark navies, and lo and behold I was able to get a pair. So all you guys that were ready to message us and say, yo Gerald, we got a 7.5 for you here, you can stop, but thank you, appreciate all your help. But I was able to get a pair from the Hip Store, which I won from their raffle. So big shout out to Hip Store, even though it was randomly selected, but I appreciate those guys for running a raffle in my size. So I was able to get my size, which is a UK size 7.5, it's a European 41.5, and it's a US men's size 8. And yo, I'm so excited that I've got this pair. I mean, the Mirage Grey hits hard, but this is what I personally wanted. And yo, look at that, it's beautiful, isn't it? So apart from the colors, it runs very much the same as the 2002 R Mirage Greys. Also, for those that don't know, this is part of the protection pack. This is the second colors. Yeah, it's the second drop of the colors from New Balance in regards to their protection pack. The first one includes that very beautiful rain cloud. Yeah, it's rain cloud grey. That was honestly one of the best grey sneakers of all time. When it comes to grey sneakers, New Balance just knocks out the park. So that was part of that pack. This protection pack consists of this dark navy, the Mirage Grey, and there is an orange one, but I forgot the nickname that the sneakerheads or the sneaker community has so lovingly called them. Anyway, all that said, let's get into the details that make these beautiful sneaker. So we'll start with the outsole. This outsole is an all rubber outsole, and you've got this aged effect where there's like a white tint over the black rubber that you can see over here, and you can see the stability plate here. It's a web stability shank that's right there in the middle. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit has New Balance's famous Absorb cushioning technology in here. So you got that and the Absorb SRS. So it's all there for that cushioning for the underside of your foot and for every spring in your step to make it every stride you make as comfortable as it can be. The upper is beautiful, guys. Look at that, the pig suede that's on the uppers here in this beautiful dark navy colorway. It just hits, doesn't it? And I don't know if this is why it's called a protection pack. To be honest, I really don't know why it's called a protection pack, but all the protection pack sneakers, they have this jagged edge, rugged effect that's given on the suede overlays here. You can see it all around. It looks like it's ripped right there as well. And just underneath that, you can see the blue mesh that's underneath to make it more breathable. So where the meshes are, it's all textile materials. The overlay, where you can see that beautiful cuts of the suede, obviously that's leather. Put the New Balance logo at the toe box again, so the mud guard has that effect of the ripping with that suede. The tongue, beautifully cushioned. Here you go, you got normal lacing system, and what other tongue here? You've got a leather panel with the ripping effect, an exposed foam here at the tongue, and a clear New Balance logo right there. Medial and lateral side, you're going to see that iconic New Balance N, and it's stitched on here. This is all like textile materials, this is all plastics really. On the lateral side as well, you can see the 2002 R right there. The heel, so obviously you've got extension of the midsole going up, clear New Balance logo right there also, and along with the delicious cuts of that pig suede. One thing I did forget to mention actually is I do like this on the heel of the midsole. You can see it looks like little pods, and it looks like it's every step of the take, and essentially this is just the absorb midsole right there. So that rounds up my review, guys. I really can't wait to try these on. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that these are just as comfortable as the Mirage Greys, which we gave high praise for. I'm so lucky that I was able to get a pair in the dark navy because I wasn't able to the first time round. But again, enter those raffles, guys. You never know whether you're gonna win or not, and sometimes you do win, which is great. Unfortunately, when it comes to like Nike and sneakers, I'm always losing out. But to be fair, New Balance is on the up as a brand. I think we all can see that in the world today, actually. I was going to say in public and in the sneaker realm, but overall in the general public, you can see loads of people wearing New Balance sneakers. I'm just happy that I'm able to get a pair of the 2002Rs, the protection pack as well, because these sell out. And to be fair, I've been looking at resale websites. StockX have them going up to 250 to 300 pounds. So yeah, either everyone's jumping on into the New Balance hype train, which I am a fan of. However, it just sucks that if you really wanted to get a pair like these are essentially general release as well. So if you want these general release pairs, you're gonna have to be quick and snappy or willing to pay that resale price, which fortunately I didn't have to do. So all that talking, let's get into the on feet. I know you want to see these sneakers. I want to try these on for you guys. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a true to size New Balance fit. When it comes to New Balances, I'm a UK size 7.5. Now my toes are where they need to be. These are really comfortable sneakers, guys. Didn't expect anything less from the guys at New Balance, especially when it comes to their running range, because they are the most comfortable running sneakers on the market. Obviously, if you were able to get a pair, especially in like these 2002 protection packs, these have been selling out really quickly. So again, I'm really thankful that I was able to hit at Hip Store. So even though, you know, they didn't really gift us or anything, but big shout out to the Hip Store. And yeah, thank you for letting me get the sneakers I desired so much. Unlike the made in England and made in the USA sneakers that New Balance do, those are up to £200. I've seen them going far more on retail. These cost me £130. So even though, you know, New Balance's craft or their best materials and their best models come from that made in range, you gotta give some love to, you know, their general release. Again, if you're able to get it. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.